So let us see the first question here. The first question is saying, with reference to the Indus River system, of the following 4 rivers, 3 of them pour into one of them, which joins the Indus direct. Okay. Among the following, which one is such river that joins the Indus direct? Okay. Now, you can see the options here. It is simply asking, there are 4 different tributaries of river Indus. Okay. 3 of them are joining one, and then one is directly joining the Indus river. Okay. So this was a question which has been asked in the latest years of in 2022. Okay. And can you give me the answer of this question, that which of the river will be here? You have option A, Chenab, then Jhelum, then Ravi and Satluj. Anyone? Good afternoon, everyone. Can you give me the answer for this? That what will be the answer here? Which one directly joins the Indus river? We have 4 options: Chenab, Jhelum, Ravi and Satluj. See, Ravi is something which you can easily eliminate. Okay. Ravi is something which you could have easily eliminated. Okay. Then you have also this Jhelum river, you can also eliminate that. Okay. Then you have Chenab and Satluj. Main contest is between A and D. Okay. Like if you see the map of this river, you can see here we are having Satluj, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum. Okay. Jhelum is joining the Chenab, Ravi is also joining the Chenab. Okay. And then Satluj and Chenab are joining each other. Okay. See the question again. It is saying that 3 of them pour into one of them, and which joins the Indus direct. Okay. Now see here, Jhelum is going into Chenab, Ravi is also going into Chenab, and then Satluj is also joining it here. Okay. Now understand here one thing, there have been controversy about this one. Okay. Like at some places you will find Satluj as answer, at some places you will find Chenab as answer. Okay. If you see from the map here, and if you see the statement, 3 of them pour into one of them. Okay. And if you see the map here, you can see Jhelum is pouring in Chenab, not in Satluj. Okay. Then Ravi is also pouring in Chenab, not in Satluj. Okay. So from here again, there is a confusion about the answer of this particular one. Okay. At some places the answer is given Satluj, and at some places even Chenab has been given as the answer. Okay. So we will have to wait for the official answer key from the UPSC, but till then A or D, one of them could be correct. Okay. And see, in the NCRTs or any other place, like on the government websites and other places, it has not been very much clearly mentioned that whether the Chenab is joining the Indus or the Satluj is joining the Indus. It is very hard to find through the NCRTs about them. There is no such mention of it. Okay. But at some places you will find Chenab, and at some places you will find Satluj. Now if you see the statement, it is saying that 3 of them pour into one of them. If we go by the statement here, then the answer should be probably A, that is Chenab. Okay. But again I am saying that let's wait for the UPSC to announce the answer key for this, and then we will get to know the final verdict from the UPSC. Okay. But till now we can have this Chenab, because we are seeing that many of them are joining the Chenab, not the Satluj. You see, Ravi is also joining the Chenab, Jhelum is also joining the Chenab, and then Chenab and Satluj are interlinked here. Okay. So if we go by that statement that it is 3 of them are pouring into one, then Chenab should be answer. Okay. But again I am saying at some places even Satluj has been given as the answer. So let's wait for the official one. Okay. Now see, while we are reading this, you can also see the origin of this. Indus river is originating at Bokharcho in Kailash mountain range, Chenab, Baralacha Pass, Jhelum, Verinag, Satluj, Raksastal, Mansarovar, and then the river Byas is from Byaskund and Ravi is from Rohtang Pass. Okay. So these are the origins of these different rivers. Okay. You can see there. Okay. Let's see the next question. Consider the following rivers: Brahmani, Nagavali, Subarnarekha and Vamsadhara. Okay. So 4 different rivers are there, and the question is, which of the above rise from the Eastern Ghat? Okay. Which of the above are rising from Eastern Ghat? Okay. So can you tell me Okay, Anushthan is saying the three are pouring into Satluj. See, yes, it's true that ultimately they are all going into like from one point of view, it can be said that all of them are finally going into Satluj only. But again, you can see some of them have first poured into Chenab, and the Chenab has ultimately poured into Satluj. Okay, so that's why I'm saying let's wait for the official answer key. Till now, A or D both can be the answer. Okay, so let's wait for that one. Okay, and see here for consider the following rivers: Brahmani, Nagavali, Subarnarekha, and Vamsadhara. Okay, out of this, can you tell me which of the above rise from the Eastern Ghat? Okay, which of the above are rising from Eastern Ghat? I have got one answer as B, that is Nagavali and Vamsadhara. Okay, anyone else? I've got one answer as D, 1 and 3. Brahmani and Subarnarekha. See, they are like here the question is saying which of the above rise from the Eastern Ghat. Okay, and the answer here would be 2 and 4 only, that is B would be the correct answer. Okay, these two are the rivers which are rising or originating from the from the Eastern Ghat. Okay, see this, there is a list of entire the rivers which are originating from the Eastern Ghat. Here it is Bahuda river, Rushikulya river, Vamsadhara river, Nagavalli river, Champavati river, Vegavati river, Gosthani river, Sarda river, Varaha river, Tandava river, and Indravati river. Indravati is also a prominent one. Okay, so these are some of them, not all of them. These are some of the rivers which are originating from the Eastern Ghat. Okay, so here you can see Vamsadhara and Nagavalli, both of them are here. And see in this, if you knew even one about, like let us say that you know about that Vamsadhara, okay, then you have two options B and C. Okay, and here if you know about Nagavalli, then also you have two options A and D. So this was something which was a bit tough also. Okay, you didn't have easy chances of elimination here. Now this is something which requires the knowledge as well as the skill to eliminate that. After seeing this question, you will know that two of them are correct, the remaining two are incorrect. And wherever you are getting 50-50 chances, there the chances of error is higher. Okay, so this is one such question. Okay, now let us see this another one. With reference to river Teesta, consider the following statement. First one is saying the source of river Teesta is same as that of Brahmaputra, but it flows through Sikkim. Okay, second statement is saying river Rangit originates in Sikkim and is a tributary of river Teesta. And the third statement is saying river Teesta flows into the Bay of Bengal on the border of India and Bangladesh. Okay, now just tell me that what could be the answer for this question. What would be the answer for this question? So today we are taking this theme of rivers, and from there we will see all these things. Just look at the first statement. It is saying the source of river Teesta is the same as that of Brahmaputra. Okay, if you eliminate this option, because you know Sikkim is starting somewhere near in Sikkim, Teesta is originating in Sikkim itself. So if you eliminate this option, at least A and D are gone. Okay, so now 2 and 3 only. So from here you know that second statement is automatically correct, because now you are having two options, 2 only, 2 and 3 only. Okay, so now you have to focus on the third one. River Teesta flows into the Bay of Bengal on the border of India and Bangladesh. Okay, now see this portion, see this on map here itself. See, this is where the river Teesta, is joining here at this point itself. Okay, so it is not directly draining, like here it is saying it flows into the Bay of Bengal on the border of India and Bangladesh. No, it is joining the river Brahmaputra. Okay, and then Brahmaputra drains into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so it is not reaching to that extent. Rather than that, it joins the river Brahmaputra a little bit earlier itself. Okay, in the upper part of this Bangladesh itself, it is joining here. Okay, now see, if you knew that portion, that river Teesta is not directly draining into the Bay of Bengal, it is first joining the Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra is then joined by even river Ganga, and then both of them are draining into the, then it is known by the name of Jamuna, and then it finally drains into the Bay of Bengal. If you even know that portion, you could have eliminated the third option. Okay, and then if you have eliminated the third option, then you can easily find out that this won't be the answer, this won't be the answer, this won't be the answer. So here you have got just one thing, B, 2 only as the answer. Okay, now see, this is one thing which I want to communicate to you. Okay, in the recent past, there have been a lot of discussion on the elimination method. Okay, but see, elimination method works only when you have a knowledge of the subject also. When you have no such knowledge of the subject, elimination can be tricky one. Okay, so earlier it was applicable that by elimination also you can do a lot of things, you can solve a lot of questions. But now UPSC has taken it a level higher, where you need elimination plus the content in order to solve the question. So you need the skill also, you need the content also. Okay, now see here. So if we look at this Teesta river, it originates from the Pahunari or Teesta Kangsi glacier, and it is here in the, like, flowing through this area itself, in the near the Sikkim itself. You can see here it is originating, this Teesta river. Okay, देखो, its main tributary is the Rangit river. Okay, so Rangit is its main tributary, and then it drains into this Brahmaputra at Teestamukh Ghat in Bangladesh. Okay, so it is even meeting the river Brahmaputra in Bangladesh, not in India. So keep that thing also in mind, that it is joining in Bangladesh, not in India. Okay, so this is again one thing which we have seen. Yes, good afternoon. So this is again one thing which we can see from this river side. Okay, then this was a very easy question. Which of the following are the tributaries of river Brahmaputra? I think all of you know this answer, know the answer of this one. Can you tell me that which of the following are tributaries of Brahmaputra? A very easy question. I think all of you can answer this one. I have got one answer as A, 1 only, and then C, 1 and 3 only. Okay. Anyone else? Achha, I have got 2 answers as C. Anyone else? I think this is very easy question. This is textbook question from the NCERT. See, sometimes if they are asking the easy questions, you should not be skipping that one, or you should not be like marking it wrong, because many of the aspirants who are there, they are marking it correct. Okay, so these type of questions, like simple questions on tributaries of river Ganga, Brahmaputra, or Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, they are very simple questions. Okay, see here, let's see the important tributaries of it. Okay, just see the important tributaries of the river. Okay, and this is directly from the NCERT itself. Okay, so what are the important tributaries? Subansiri is there, Kameng is there, Manas is there, Sankos is there, Teesta is there. If we look at the left bank tributary, Dibang is there, Lohit is there, Buri Dihang is there, Dhansiri is there, Kapili is there. Okay, so just see there, Kameng, it was written here, Kameng, so Kameng will be there. Dibang, it was also mentioned, Dibang. Third one, Lohit, Lohit was also mentioned here, Lohit was also mentioned here. Okay, and this is directly from the NCERT, so then you can go for the D option, that is 1, 2 and 3. Why you have eliminated Dibang? Acha, you have eliminated second option, Kaming. Many of you have given C. Why you have eliminated Kaming? Kaming is a tributary of it. So here the answer would be D, that is 1, 2 and 3. All of them are tributaries of Brahmaputra river. Okay. And this is from the NCERT. So see the NCERTs, there you will get the answer of it. Okay. Now this one. Now we have seen certain names earlier also. Consider the following rivers: Vamsadhara, Indravati, Pranhita and Pennar. Which of the above are tributaries of Godavari? Okay. Which of the above are tributaries of Godavari? Can you tell me this one? You have to revise multiple times. These are things which can be easily forgotten. So try to make some tables of it. Try to make some let us suppose you are studying somewhere. So have a name of these rivers and tributaries in front of you, or you can simply have maps in front of you. There you can draw what are the different tributaries of it. Okay. So either through the help of maps or through the help of charts or tables, you can memorize these things. Okay. I have got one answer as D. 2 and 3 only, Indravati and Pranhita. Okay. Anyone else? What will be the answer here for this question? I have got one answer as D. Okay, two answers as D. Anyone else? Okay, so majority of the people are here with D option, and of course it is correct only. Indravati and Pranhita are the two tributaries of river Ganga. Vamsadhara and Pennar directly flows into the Bay of Bengal region. Okay, so let us first see the map here itself, and then we will come to the other parts of it. Okay, you can see on the map here itself, Vamsadhara is here. In this portion, we have this Vamsadhara river. Okay, it is directly going. And then here you have this Pennar river is also here. Okay, this is your Godavari river. Okay, here Indravati is also a tributary of it. Okay, and then we have also seen the second name was about Pranhita. So Pranhita is also here, the tributary of Godavari river. This is the flow of Godavari river. You can see Indravati is here, and then even Pranhita is there. Okay, so they are the tributaries. You can see Vamsadhara is here. And here you have this Pennar river. Okay, so they are not, you can see they are very far away from this region, from this entire Godavari region. Okay, if they have to confuse you, they can again ask you certain questions about this Krishna river and then Godavari. Okay, you can see Bhima, Tungabhadra, they are the tributaries of this Krishna river. And here if we talk about this Godavari river, you can see Painganga is there, Varda is there, Pranhita is there, Vainganga is there, Indravati is there. Okay, so they are all the tributaries of Godavari river. Okay, now let us see about these two major rivers of peninsular India. If we talk about Godavari, Godavari is the largest peninsular river, also known as Dakshin Ganga. Okay, it starts in Nasik district. See the Krishna also, it rises there, Mahabaleshwar in Sahyadri. Okay, so if you see at the locations, sometimes they are asking about that also, that where it is originating from. We have seen that question in Teesta also. So here they are originating first Godavari from the Nasik district of Maharashtra, and then Mahabaleshwar in again Western Ghats. Okay, then if you see the states, here you have Maharashtra, MP, Chhattisgarh, Orissa and Andhra Pradesh. It is passing through. Here also states are there. Tributaries you can see Painganga, Indravati, Pranhita, Manjara, they are the tributaries. And here we have tributaries at Koyna, Tungbhadra and Bhima. Okay, so try to make charts for these rivers and tributaries. There have been frequent questions in 2022 also. There were two questions. Previously also questions have been there. And this is one common area. See, 4 or 5 themes are there. There is one single book, Indian Physical Environment. if you just go by it, if you just memorize one single book, you will at least solve 4 or 5 questions from there. Okay. Sometimes it can be a bit related to environment, sometimes it can be more towards Indian geography. Okay. Sometimes even in mapping it is going to help you. Okay. So just go through 5 or 6 chapters of this Indian physical environment book, geography book, class 11th NCERT, and it will help in solving all these questions very easily. Okay. Even agriculture related questions can be solved from there a bit. Okay. So try to go through it. In the upcoming sessions, we are going to take more themes from the Indian geography sections, some from the mountains, some even from the agriculture section, we are going to pick it up. Okay. So you can download the PDFs in the link also, it has been uploaded there. Okay. You can download it from there, and let's meet tomorrow to discuss further things. Thank you very much. All the best.